am feeling very Olympic today. How about you?
According to his wife, Cliff died on Monday after suffering seizure and pneumonia.
Here are top Jimmy Cliff songs through his entire career.
I can see clearly now, the rain is gone.
How is there going to be peace?
Well, the years have come and the years have gone. Still the sun. When they kick out your front door, how you go? We all are one. We are the.
Well, it seems like I've fallen in your trap again.
You said you wanna start something new. In this hello sunshine. To this you can put a roots woman, roots woman. She's a roots woman. Love is all that we have. Hey, now I've got a hard road to travel in a rough, rough way. Like a bird without a song. Reggae night, we come together when the feeling. Hey, yeah. Wonderful world, beautiful people, many rivers to cross. They tell me of a pie up in the sky. You can get it if you really want, but you must try.
Jimmy Cliff, a true legend, a voice that carried hope, resistance, love, and the soul of a people. His music crossed borders, shaped generations, and will continue to echo long after his earthly journey has ended. He will be greatly missed, but his legacy remains unshakable. We hope you enjoyed this collection of 20 of Jimmy Cliff's most loved songs. If there's any song you feel should have been included, just drop it in the comments. Let the world know your personal connection to his music. Thanks for listening. Long live the spirit of Jimmy Cliff.